place to, lean on, to trust on. And it says that the door will never be shut. And then it says that I can always lean on Him. And Jesus, He will never leave us. Okay. I want you to understand this when you're singing. I know that you all understood. Okay, that's the meaning of this. But please keep this in your heart. That always we have Him. Sometimes you might feel like I don't have anyone to, I'm done, I'm over, everything is done, it's the end of my life, everything is over. But no, please know that we have Him to lean on, to go, to run. Okay, so this is what the Word of God says, that we could run to Him anytime, run to the throne of grace anytime. Okay. He rose again the third day according to the scriptures. And that He was seen by Cephas. Cephas is Peter, okay? And then by the 12. 12 means the disciples. Oh yeah, you keep reading over there. And it also says, after that He was seen by over 500 brethren to once, of whom the greater part remained to be present, and some have fallen asleep. After that He was seen by James, then by all the apostles. Then last of all He was seen by me also. So this is Paul saying to the church of Corinthians. Okay. What I want to tell all of you is that Peter, the disciples, how many disciples were there, children? 12. The 12 main disciples, Peter, 500 people over there. They all saw Jesus. He rose again on the third day from the grave. So they all saw Him when He was on this earth after His crucifixion and after He rose again. So what it says is that 500 people saw it, okay? And they believed it. Remember last couple of weeks ago I read a verse and that said that Thomas, he saw Jesus, he saw the wounds of Jesus, and that's why he was able to believe. But blessed are you and me, because we got a privilege to believe in Jesus. In your class there are 30 children, 30 friends who you all in your class, but you all got the chance to believe in Jesus. Okay? It's a privilege. This is the greatest privilege that you and me got, is to believe in Jesus, is to understand that He alone is the King of the Kings and the Lord of the Lords. So all the teenagers, the young adults, and even the smaller kids, I want you to keep this in your heart. I want you to understand the privilege that you guys are having. That we got to know Him. Nothing is greater than this, okay? We'll sing one more song. It's called You Give Life, You Are Love. Okay? You all know the song, I believe. Let's sing this in worship God.